Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Roommate at DECOR, and in today's video I am so excited to share with you guys some DIY Dollar Tree and budget-friendly decor crafts. I'm also very excited to announce a $100 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway for one of you all to win, and all you have to do to win that giveaway is to comment down below on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribing is totally free. And listen, I want to invite you all also to my Olivia's Rent Home Facebook page. I have a free little group page that you all can join to post photos of your home decor and DIYs as well. Now listen, no matter where you're at in your life journey, keep getting up and showing up and doing your best. I love y'all, and without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. Let me share with you this amazing hack using Dollar Tree paper bags. We're going to create a really cool star. Any age can do this. You're going to grab a couple of their Dollar Tree paper bags, layer them. You're going to want to do 9. I'm doing red, white, and blue for the 4th of July, but you guys can do these for parties. You can do them for holidays. So whatever treat sacks you want to buy, just go ahead and grab those. Then you're going to create a T, and you want your paper bags to be layered and the bottom of the bag to be upwards. So you just take your hot glue, run it down the center in a T fashion. So at the base, you go across and then upwards, and then you layer that paper bag on. And all of your paper bags that you're layering are the bottom of the bag facing up. So make sure the bottom of that bag is facing up. And you just continue to layer these as you go along. Now you want to use about 9. I think I might have used a couple too many in this one because it was a little bit thick to cut the ends, but you can pre-cut the ends as well. So you're going to go ahead and continue to just glue them in a T. So run it down the center and then in that little T, and your bags are still facing in an upwards direction. You do want to smooth your bag down. Make sure that the glue gets on there. You can use Elmer's glue as well if you're doing this with kids. You'll just want to wait for the glue to dry before you unfold it. I'm a little bit impatient with my crafting, and I wanted to share this with you guys in my video. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and trim off the ends. Now, had I used a couple of less paper bags and trim them in advance a little bit more individually, it would have been easier to cut. It was a little bit difficult to cut with as many as I used, but look at how magical this is. I never get tired of this craft. It is so fun. So then you're going to create another T on either side of your last 2 bags, and you can gently slip your hands into each side of the bag and bring those together, and that's going to seal it off. I love this hack. I think it's super amazing and fun, and bam, you have a red, white, and blue party paper bag star, and these are great for parties, you guys. They're so inexpensive, such a great way to make decor, and you can buy a huge pack of white ones at your grocery store. If you wanted to do all white, you can do different colors. Here is how it looks. I love to hang mine from the chandelier or from the mirrors whenever we have a little party. This is fun and fabulous on a budget. Let me know if you've tried this before. You can even get fancier with your designs on the end. I think they do these in snowflakes as well. I've done some that are a little bit more fancy, but I thought this was fun for a little bit of red, white, and blue cheer in your home. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys a super easy Dollar Tree bow. So for the Dollar Tree, you're going to grab one of their spools of wired ribbon. I grabbed this burlap with the lace. We're going to make a fun little bow topper for a 4th of July sign. So you're going to cut it 12 inches, and I just measured it from my hand to my elbow, and then I'm going to hot glue each end together. This is such an easy hack, especially if you guys are bow challenged. I'm actually bow challenged. I've gotten a little bit better over the years with all the practice on creating bows for my YouTube channel, but I would still consider myself to be bow challenged. I know some people can just whip them out, and I have to try pretty hard. Anyway, I'm going to take some a zip tie and just zip tie the center of this bow and then fluffy out the ribbon. I used the majority of the rest of the roll to make tails, and then I'm going to zip tie the tails on to my cute little bow. How easy is this? And think about, you guys could use this for any wreath. You could use it as a Christmas tree topper. You could use it as a sign topper like I'm going to share with you guys. You could just use it wherever you guys like to put a really cute little bow on the side of a floral. Really whatever suits your fancy. So once I have that all done, I'm just going to go ahead and pull my loops out. Now I've got this cute little patriotic gnome that I'm going to put in the center, but I was feeling like maybe this burlap needed some color. So I'm taking some more Dollar Tree ribbon, and it's some check gingham. I'm just going to tie a giant loopy bow. So this is just a bow like you would tie, like you're tying your shoelaces. It's not hard at all. And I did make my loops a little large, I realized later. But I am just going to go ahead and hot glue that to the center of the burlap. You could also zip tie it on and then add on my cute little gnome. And then at the top of this, I'm going to add my little topper. I hated really to cover up the bless our home part, but there really wasn't anywhere else for it to go. I guess unless I put like a board on the back or made like some type of piece. Anyway. But for this video, you guys could always arrange it how you want it. But I'm going to zhuzh my ribbon, and then there you guys have that. I think this is a fun little idea. You also might want to take some hot glue and just gently hot glue your ribbon so your sign, the letters on your home sign, doesn't get covered up. But here's how it turned out. I think this is adorable and super easy for a 4th of July decor piece. Again, I always say for summer, we need easy crafts. So this is an easy craft, and this is a fun bow that you guys can keep kind of in your wheelhouse and bust out for the Christmas season. We're going to be doing more of these bows. So anyway, I hope y'all are inspired to make a cute little fun bow and change it up for any holiday. Dollar Tree has put out these signs constantly, so you guys can add any color of bow that suits your fancy. Okay, let's make a floral using this little file folder. It's a basket, and I wasn't using it for files in my office, so I thought, let's put some flowers in it. I'm going to take a Dollar Tree pool noodle and cut that to size and pop that down inside of it, and then using my scissors, I just poked some holes for my flowers to kind of pop into the little pool noodle. I'm going to use these beautiful, fun summer tulips. I found these at the thrift store, and I'm just going to pop them into the little holes. You could even use a little bit of hot glue to secure them if you need a little bit extra security, but for the video purposes, I don't think I need that. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and create this fun little floral. So if you guys have any file folders like this, I guess it's not really, it's a file container maybe. It's supposed to hang on the wall. I'm supposed to put all my important business paperwork in it. I'm really not a great business paperwork hanging on the wall type person. I like to get it done and get it out of there. So anyway, I'm going to layer these yellow tulips in the back part of this little decor piece. What I love about this is it's already ready to hang on the wall. So if you had a cheap plastic, file container, you could always paint it and add something cute to the front if you didn't have this basket style one. And I believe I got this at TJ Maxx maybe for about $10. I'm going to use some Dollar Tree lilacs and line those next to the tulips, and then pop in some of these pretty green florals. I just thought this was so nice, fun, and fabulous, and pretty budget friendly, to be honest with you. If you have a couple of florals laying around, and then the little wall pocket or file folder holder or whatever you want to call that. Also, to trim off these Dollar Tree florals, I'm just using these clippers. I stole them out of my toolbox, and they ended up in the craft room. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and clip all of those off, and then add one more layer to get a bit nice and full bit of greenery. And honestly, with a little pool noodle down in there, you could add in some moss, but if you're hanging it, you're probably not going to see anything down in there. We had so many flowers that got added. So anyway, I hope you guys are loving this idea, and always remember, in any idea that I share with you guys, you can change up the colors of florals for any season. So you could do red, white, and blue, you could do pinks, you could do Christmas florals, really pretty much anything that suits your fancy. I just thought this was a great little idea. Pop it onto a wall, and it'll really make your kitchen, your entryway, any little space come to life. I hope you guys are loving this fun and fabulous idea on a budget. For this DIY, I want to share with you guys how you can make a super easy little floral. I grabbed one of these large kind of pitcher cans from Michael's. It was on clearance. I'm going to stuff it with some Walmart bags and then put in some of this fake greenery down inside. I got that at Hobby Lobby, and then the florals were on sale somewhere. I can't remember. Anyway, they're long stem florals, which makes it super easy. I'm just going to pop them down into my little milk can pitcher. What is this called? Help me out here, guys. I'm losing what this is called. Anyway, pop some more roses into it. I love these for spring, summer, especially if you love romantic, girly goodness. And I did fill this out quite nicely, and I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super fun little bow. Always remember too, you guys can customize any of the crafts that I share with you guys to suit your home decor. So change out the ribbons and the floral colors. Next, I want to show you guys a super easy bow hack using this Dollar Tree ribbon. You're going to cut 2 strips, and they're going to be the same size, and you're just going to glue them end to end. This is such an easy, fun, fluffy bow, especially if you're bow challenged like me, but you love big bows and you cannot lie. So I'm going to go ahead and pinch it in the center on each bow, and then using a zip tie, I'm going to tie that off. Again, this is a super easy bow. I'm just going to pop it onto the side of my little galvanized pitcher here. And bam, we have a fun little customized looking decor piece. This is going to be boutique gorgeous on a budget, of course. And then I'm going to take the scissors and this ribbon and cut some pretty little tails. I always do love to add some tails to my bows. Make sure you dovetail your ends by cutting triangles in the end of your ribbon. It's going to give it a nice boutique finish. I'm going to hot glue the center point here, and then I'm going to zhuzh that ribbon. Super easy. I'm also adding this little burlap rosette to the center of it. This was something what was sent to me years ago, and I'm just going to take and zhuzh and ruche this up. So to zhuzh and ruche, you're just going to kind of create little staggered folds in your ribbon. And there you guys have that. I think that's a fun way to do with that wider ribbon. This was in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I love y'all, and I hope you're inspired. And here is my little puppy dog, Benji Bear. He is a terrier mix. So terriers, I don't know if you guys know this, but they love to play tug of war. They are not good about releasing their toy and allowing you to play fetch with them. They want to tug of war with you. And I think that that's because of the way that they were bred. But anyway, he's a funny little guy. He's super sassy. And I know a lot of you guys are Benji Bear fans out there. I'm a super fan. He's my best bud. And then also I want to remind you guys to comment down below to give yourselves a chance to enter my $100 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway. All you guys have to do is let me know what was your favorite craft in this video. Which one will you be recreating? And do you guys have a dog or cat? Let's introduce your dogs and cats too in this comment section. Remember, we have a voice. Use your voice for good. Look at that little sassy look. Look at those eyes. He has big giant eyes. Anyway, and I'll give you guys details in the description box of this video of the giveaway. It's going to be announced the winner on May 15th. Okay, I love y'all. Happy crafting. I hope you guys had fun with this video. Thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that you do not have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. And for everybody that comes back and loves on me and has been following me for the last several years, this is going to be my 5th year on YouTube. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. Crafting is such a stress reliever for me. I think it's good for your heart and soul. So I'm going to encourage you guys, no matter where you're at, keep going, keep crafting. I recently did break my ankle and I am back on my feet again, slowly but surely. So man, that was quite a trial for me. I was in a boot for 3 months. I'm now out of the boot and I'm in an ankle brace. So for everybody that keeps tuning in and loving on me and praying for me through that, listen, I appreciate y'all so much. Now, also I want to remind you guys to enter my $100 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway. All you guys have to do is comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And just also remember, with any giveaways that I host, I will never reach out to you personally and ask you for personal information. I will simply announce it on my social media pages and ask that you all give me your shipping address. So I know that some of us bigger YouTubers have had people kind of scamming when we host a giveaway. So I just want to explain that to you all so you're aware of that. Okay, so also don't forget to pop over to my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. I do have a free little group page that you all are welcome to post photos of your home decor and DIYs. Please do not post any videos because I don't have the ability. I'm a one-woman show to go through every video and make sure that it's appropriate for the page. So only photos, and I love seeing what you guys are up to. I want to encourage you guys to have a fabulous, blessed day. Keep on the sunny side of life. And I would like to also answer a question for you guys. A lot of you will ask where I get my prayer cards. Those are from Dollar Tree. And I know a lot of people say that they have found them in their crafting section, in their section with like notebooks and paper. My Dollar Tree always places the prayer cards at the checkout aisle towards the bottom. So I kind of have to hunt for them. But anyway, that's what I use. I say a good morning prayer card with you guys on my Facebook and on my Instagram page. I love y'all. I'm hugging all of your hearts so tight. I'm wishing you a gorgeous, fabulous, blessed day. And until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye.